Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by signing into GitHub and confirming two-factor authentication if prompted. This protects the token from misuse. Once signed in, open Settings, then Developer Settings, and choose Personal Access Tokens. You need to decide now whether you want a classic token for broad use or a fine-grained token for repository-specific access. Choose fine-grained when you can, because it limits risk. After that, click Generate New Token to begin the actionable creation process. Now you configure details. Name the token clearly so you can identify it later. For example, see iDeploy 2025 and pick an expiration period. Short-lived tokens reduce long-term exposure. Next, select the minimal scopes required for your workflow. Read only when possible, write only when needed. If using a fine-grained token, pick repository targets and specific permissions. Once done, double-check scopes and expiration, because you cannot change scopes after creation without revoking. After clicking Generate Token, copy the value right away. GitHub shows it only once, so store it securely in a password manager or secret store. Then update your local Git credentials or CI secret variables. For CLI use, set GitHub token or configure Git credential helper. Make a habit of rotating tokens and revoking unused ones to limit exposure. If you cannot authenticate, check scopes and expiration first. If still broken, revoke and create a new token to resolve permission or caching issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.